We have even more leaked images of the OnePlus Nord. And remember, I told you, Will, it's starting to feel less like a leak and more like a drip. I told you that on a previous episode. That's what I'm going to call it now. That's my
the drip.
It's my new Twitter handle. My new leak Twitter handle. It's
Drip
called
D65.
It's called Lou Drips. Anyway, yeah, OnePlus is just letting us see the whole phone now. This one coming via EV leaks, EV leaks, and it has a case on it. You see the backside of the phone. I mean, they put it in their own press material on that Instagram account. As you recall, coming in and out of the pocket, you had the flashy pants, you had the flashy belt in the promo clip. You had the flashy new age type people that are interested in this phone. That's what OnePlus wants you to believe. But this is just, now you're just seeing the phone. And so you have your camera module on the side. You have your flash over there. You have your alert slider. You have the new OnePlus logo. And you see, if you look closely, you see the pill style dual front facing cameras there as well. It's a fairly nondescript design, particularly in the color that's showcased here, though, of course, there's been a lot of talk about this turquoise or teal color thing, so maybe it'll look a little more defined in that particular color. But this is just, we're seeing the whole phones now. Yesterday, it was the Note 20 Ultra. You see the whole phone in the video.
Yep.
And this one, it appears OnePlus is staying in the news with all their little pieces of information that are slipping out or intentionally in front of us. I think this is just the future now, man. There's not going to be any smartphone ever again where it's just going to surprise us and be completely unknown at the launch event. We're never going to have that true surprise moment anymore. We just have to accept it.
Yeah.
I don't really care. I mean, whatever. Like, it's so hard for these things to surprise us anyways. Even if we didn't see the image. What was going to happen? How was it going to come out that we were going to be, whoa! You know, the only surprise characteristic now, the only way you're going to make an audience go, that was sound effect caliber right there. The only way is if you come with an unexpected price. That's the only way now. So if they come with this and then they say, and it's only going to be $300, you would get that sound in the audience. But I don't expect that to happen. It's probably going to be closer to $500. It's going to have that lower tier Snapdragon chip, but it will beat some of the other budget offerings in other areas. They've confirmed it's going to have an AMOLED display, apparently, and it should have a 4,000 milliamp hour battery. So anyways, OnePlus Nord, we keep seeing more of it.